my process. Meeting with the bosses over lobster tails, strategizing our next move. Conclusion is prevail. Bitches will hold your shit up. Bitches will fuck your shit up. She callin', she wanna lick up, but I'm busy hitting this lick up. Look, bitch, I'm chasing money. You don't deserve a description. It takes some sacrifices to get in this position. When my well was dry, I was still making my wishes. I was riding around, I was risking it, but if I didn't do it, I wouldn't get the shit. Up late nights, I'm out too. It's a few things that I value: money, trust, respect, loyalty in my crew. Politicking with my niggas about this money, bitch, hold up. I had to drop my bitch, cause I don't need no hold ups. Walk right in VIP, we don't do no hold ups. Get too close, I got some killers with me that'll tell you, hold up, hold up, tell you, hold up, hold up, tell you, hold up. You say you want this money, nigga, then what's the hold up? If you really bout this paper, then what's the hold up? Net parcel the great bag, came up, you can't hate that.